You are cordially invited to experience excellence. Prestige Motors, the #1 volume Mercedes-Benz dealer in the Northeast.
Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Leave your worries at the door, because we're taking Mercedes-Benz to a whole new level. Prestige Motors, Paramus, New Jersey, at your service.